and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be working on a Z. I know I don't have a lot of videos of the Z, but that's going to change. I'm planning to put some more videos of Z's in this channel, which is kind of what it's built on. So I'm going to be jumping projects back and forth between the MR2 Z's and the GX, as well as the bike. But today we're working on a Z. We're gonna add some decals to it because she's looking kind of plain. So we're gonna work on that for a little bit. Just a quick video. So let's get started. Let me show you guys what we're putting in. All right, so we're just gonna add some decals on it. Nothing crazy. Just a stripe on the side. Some decals from my sponsors and people that have helped me out along the way. So definitely want to get those guys on there. And at first we gotta clean her up because she's a little dirty. We want to have a good surface to put the stickers on, and let's get going. So here's a tip. What I'm gonna do with the extra piece is I'm gonna fill in the door jamb here, so that way it's all one continuous line. All right, there you go, one continuous line. Close it. Sweet. And lastly, I want to thank all of these guys for their support, whether it be big or small. They all play a part in this build. Without these guys, this build would not be anywhere near what it is today. Again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys, and appreciate each one of you guys. Thank you.